Math Falsifies Naturalistic Mega-Evolution, Part 6. Atheist Mathematician and Scientist, Quote 9. Darwinian theory, because there was not a particle of evidence to support this view. New believers, that is, evolution believers, had to swallow it as an article of faith, otherwise they could not pass their examinations or secure a job or avoid the ridicule of their colleagues. So it came about from 1860 onward that new believers, that is, evolution believers, became in a sense mentally ill, or, more precisely, either you became mentally ill or you quit the subject of biology. The trouble for young biologists was that, with everyone around them ill, it became impossible for them to think they were well unless they were ill, which again is a situation you can read all about in the columns of Nature. Atheist scientist Dr. Fred Hoyle. My comment: Dr. Hoyle states that evolution believers have no evidence to support their claims for naturalistic mega-evolution. And so, atheists and evolutionists believe in naturalistic mega-evolution by faith, and because of peer pressure from other evolution believers in the field of biology. Dr. Hoyle indicates that belief in naturalistic mega-evolution is a form of groupthink, a form of mental illness that is not supported by the evidence. Note: the evidence supports microevolution, but not mega-evolution. Random chance and natural selection can create minor changes in species within a genus or family. However, naturalistic mechanisms cannot create completely new body plans, and higher taxa, kingdom, phylum, class, order. Quote 10. When ideas are based on observations, as the Darwinian theory certainly is, it is usual for those ideas to be valid at least within the range of the observations. It is when extrapolations are made outside the range of observations that troubles may arise. So the issue that presented itself was to determine just how far the theory was valid and exactly why beyond a certain point it became invalid. The issue was a mathematical one. Atheist scientist Dr. Fred Hoyle. My comment: in his book, Dr. Hoyle evaluates Neo-Darwinism using math and finds that Neo-Darwinism is correct for microevolution, adaptation of species within a genus or family, and it is false for the extrapolation to naturalistic mega-evolution. That is, the claim that random chance and natural selection created the entire biosphere, including alleged naturalistic single-cell to human evolution. Quote 11. And the outcome of this essay? Well, as common sense would suggest, Darwinian theory is correct in the small, that is, microevolution, but not in the large, that is, naturalistic mega-evolution. Rabbits come from other slightly different rabbits, not from either soup or potatoes. Where they came from in the first place is a problem yet to be solved, like much else of a cosmic scale. Atheist scientist Dr. Fred Hoyle. My comment: as Dr. Hoyle indicates, he evaluates Neo-Darwinism using math and finds that Neo-Darwinism is correct for microevolution, that is, adaptation of species within a genus or family, but it is false for the extrapolation to naturalistic mega-evolution, that is, the claim that random chance and natural selection created the entire biosphere, including alleged naturalistic single-cell to human evolution. The atheist mathematician and scientist Dr. Fred Hoyle performed extensive calculations to determine if naturalistic evolution, that is, random chance and natural selection, would work, and he found that it does not work for any level higher than microevolution, that is, adaptation of a species to its local environment inside a genus or family. He published the calculations in a book titled Mathematics of Evolution. The quotes above are from his book. Conclusion: in his book, Dr. Hoyle uses extensive mathematics to show that Neo-Darwinism is false for the higher taxa. Neo-Darwinism is true for microevolution, that is, random chance and natural selection can cause adaptation of a species to its environment, resulting in formation of varieties inside a species or genus, but nothing more. Random chance and natural selection are not capable of creating the biofunctional information and the large-scale changes needed to create completely new body plans and completely new higher taxa, such as kingdom, phylum, class, order. So, Neo-Darwinism, random chance and natural selection, is false for naturalistic mega-evolution, that is, the claim of naturalistic single-cell to human evolution. And this is the case for all naturalistic mechanisms in the modern synthesis and the extended synthesis. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.